Let's get you the latest updates on VK Sashikala's health. She's, remember, been admitted to Bengaluru's Bowring Government Hospital after complaining of fever and breathlessness in the Parapana Agrahara prison. Sashikala's health is currently stable. Sources have told us that she was shifted to an emergency ward from a normal ward in the middle of the night because her oxygen saturation level dropped a bit. This is for the second time yesterday alone that she was moved to the emergency ward. In a statement, the Bowring Hospital said that upon arrival, Sashikala's oxygen saturation was around 79%. Coupled with fever, she was given antibiotics and oxygen, after which her condition stabilized. Hospital authorities are currently waiting for RT-PCR result to rule out COVID-19. She's tested negative so far in the rapid antigen test. Sashikala is awaiting her release from jail on January 27th. This is the date that she's scheduled to walk out of prison. Meanwhile, Sashikala's nephew Jayanand Divakaran spoke to India today and said that her treatment was delayed. He also accused hospital authorities of not providing updates to the family.
How is she? How is she doing, Madam Sashikala?
Yeah, she's stable.
Okay.
The doctor, what the word around here is she's well.
Okay.
The thing is, we are not able to get it officially.
Why is that?
So they are saying some protocol here. If we go after the doctors, they are saying they are telling us to talk to the police.
Okay. Was she taken from the prison once again back to the hospital in the late night? Because we saw a visual of her being taken in a stretcher.
She had breathing difficulty out there, and there was lack of oxygen in that block.
Oxygen
So
filter.
they shifted her to some high flow oxygen this time.
Okay, okay. And
she's not having corona, it seems, but she's having something more of an influenza or something.
Influenza, okay.
That has flared up. CT has not been done. When somebody has come to you with a problem in the lungs and they're not able to breathe, then you need to support oxygen. The first thing you do is you have to take a CT. Only then you can decide what treatment you can give it. They are not allowing anybody to meet or nobody can meet. Nobody can see also.
Are you getting any cooperation from the hospital and the authorities there?
No, actually, for everything they are saying protocol, even just to share this a small thing also. They are saying protocol, they are telling us go talk to the authorities.
Taking this across to Nolan Pinto, who's joining us live from Bengaluru. Nolan, any update or any medical bulletin that the hospital has released so far on Sashikala's condition?
Well, Akshita, TTV Dinakaran just arrived, say about an hour back. And when we asked him, what are the authorities telling you? What are the jail authorities? What are the hospital authorities telling you? He clearly says that she is stable. He says that the hospital authorities are actually looking after her. He says that they're doing everything. Only issue is this. The problem was a CT scan was to be done last night. It was not done because apparently this hospital does not have the equipment to do that. We are getting information as of now that she might be taken to the another government hospital, that's the Victoria Hospital, for a CT scan and then brought back again to this hospital, that's the Bowring Hospital, where she was brought yesterday. Now, it's not about yesterday. For the past 5 days, this is what our sources tell us, that she was suffering from fever. It was yesterday, that is when the oxygen saturation level dropped. They decided to shift her over here. 2 o'clock, the authorities got information that they would be bringing her to this particular hospital. They brought her in the evening. Later on, she was shifted to a normal ward. They're told that her sugar levels spiked in the night, and that's the reason why she was shifted once more to the intensive care unit or a special ward. As of now, her condition is stable, but sources tell us that she could be suffering from SARI, that is severe acute respiratory infection. However, her family members who came in the night over here, her supporters, believe that the state government, basically the authorities, are hiding the real facts about her health condition. And that is one of the reasons why TTV Dinakaran told us that he's hopeful he will get a chance to meet her and he will know exactly what's her condition.
Okay, Nolan, thank you for that update. Tests still going on to ascertain exactly what ails Sashikala. Important to highlight here that just 6 days to go for her release also from prison.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.